The Frontier OS23 is the ultimate portable sawmill for hobbyists. Capable of handling logs up to 23 inches in diameter, it smoothly cuts boards up to 20 inches wide, powered by a reliable 10 HP horsepower Briggs engine. Operating at ground level for easy log loading, the OS23 includes leveling feet and long and short log rests. Its patented auto-locking sawhead saves time by eliminating repetitive actions. An additional depth of cut adjustment system maximizes yield, while the lumber production scale helps calculate board production. Collect sawdust easily with a built-in exhaust port. Safety features like disabling blade guards and emergency stop controls meet rigorous international standards. The blade lubrication system, including the optional auto lube, ensures smooth operation. Standard dual upper and lower ceramic guides provide superior blade support, minimizing flutter and deflection. The adjustable blade guide system ensures the best blade support throughout your cut. With the optional mobility system, the Frontier OS23 moves easily behind your ATV, car, or truck. Discover the power and precision of the Frontier OS23, built for hobbyists who demand the best.